Hi guys, how are you all? Okay. Okay.
Daddy, I cannot see my screen.
You cannot see whose screen, Amma?
I cannot see my screen.
You cannot see your screen. You want your dad to help you? Or you want me to help you? Why is my video not on? Okay. You want me to help you or dad to help you? Tell me.
You.
But get help and make sure you're able to see the screen, right? You need my help or got it?
Nah.
No?
I can still not see this phone.
Okay. You call dad then. See, because I can't control your screen, right? Okay. Okay. Hey, how was perfect square homework, guys?
I got stuck on the last one.
Miss Priya, I couldn't finish it.
Oh, it was too much?
Miss Priya, it was a little easy.
Okay. It was easy. Okay. Some of you was easy, some of it was easy, some of it was hard. Looks like okay. See, okay.
Perfect square is like the
What is it, ma?
the last question, the 2-star one was hard.
Oh, see that for me that's okay. Doesn't matter at all. Okay, we'll see that. Don't worry about it. Okay. The thing is, we did till 58, right? Okay. So I just want to see. Oh, I see. You know what? I had prepared this for last week. Okay, that's okay. Let's finish this, guys. Okay, so we did it from distributive property, but I did not do this. Okay, anyway, we need to finish this. We are going slow, guys. That's okay. What was hard, Amma? Which question? Page number, Anjali? Which one was hard? Tell me.
Can I go get the book?
Please. Yeah, please get it. Because which one is hard, I want to know for sure. Kripa, how was the homework, ma?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
the last, even I had a hard problem in page 50, if 58 and the last sum.
Okay, absolutely will do. Srimitran, good to see you back. You were traveling last week, right?
Yeah,
You saw the videos?
yeah.
Good. 58, Amma. Oh, the last problem was hard. Rearranging boxes. Okay.
Miss Priya, it was page 58 on number 69.
69. Okay, you know what? Let's come back on that because see, were you able to do 67 and 68, Anjali?
Yeah, I was
How
able.
about you, Srimitran? Were you able to do 67 and 68?
Yeah.
Okay, no, I'm going to skip then to keep going. Okay, so let's come back. Okay, it takes time, meaning the double star problems are okay. It's not like, hey, you need to finish. But as long as you do 67, 68, I'm less bothered about 69. Let's see. How about this? Okay, let me go over a little bit more into this. Okay, let's see. Adya, did you do your homework? Hey, Aradhya, did you do your homework? I missed you last week, right, Aradhya? Aradhya? Aradhya, you're able to hear me?
I couldn't finish the last page.
You couldn't finish the last page means which page, ma?
58.
58th page you were not able to touch, huh? Other than that, did you do?
Yes.
Okay, Ananya ji, how about you? Ananya ji.
I couldn't finish the last page. I needed help on the last page, but I finished the rest.
Oh, good. Okay, then 50. Let's do. Yeah, let me see, guys. Okay, how about this? This was something that. Okay, how will you do this, guys? How will you do this if you're given this? This was something Shankari asked me. Okay, let's see. This was something Shankari's mom as well asked me. So, okay, how about this? 7 times 51 times 7. How do you do this multiplication? Who can tell me how you can do this multiplication? How will you get started, guys, if you're given a problem? Yes, Kripa, go ahead.
Just do 7 times 7 first, and then you could do 51 times that answer.
How? Okay,
So
49, nice.
49 times 51.
How do you do that?
You can stack them on top of each other.
Miss
Or,
Priya,
no, you do the number in between, which is 50,
That's nice. 50.
and you times that with 50,
Uh-huh.
which equals 2,500.
Very nice.
And then you subtract 1, which is
Wonderful.
2,499.
Oh, wow. Good job, Kripa. Were you able to follow that nicely? Okay, very, very nice, guys. So, see, the trick is, what is this Acer? I'm going to move you out of this room if you don't have your video on. Yeah, Seema, you need to come with your name. Whenever you log in, whoever it is, you have to have your name on. You should rename yourself to your original name because this is a video class. I really want you to be on the video. Okay. In your older classes, I have had trouble where video was not on. When I let it happen, there was somebody else who was not even our classroom kid. So I didn't like all that. Okay, from then on, what we have done is for the security safety of all of us, you should have your video on and your name should reflect your original name. If it is not, I'll immediately move you to the waiting room. Okay, it's not like I am mad. Okay, it's that it's not working. Okay, so I want it to be a safe place for you to study as well. So definitely, I want your name. Ananya, I want to change it. Thanks, ma. Okay, now if you are given this problem 7 times 51 times 7, right? So you multiply these two and you see 49 and 51 are just one way, one less and one more than 50. So you can do 50 square. Very nice, Kripa. So it's 2500. 2500, you subtract that perfect square distance. So you get 2499. Any questions? How easy it is, see. What a big problem. You made it so easy. Good job.
Why should we subtract 1?
That's what we studied last week, right, Vishwa? We drew boxes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. How about this? This is a double star problem. Let's try this. I just want you to think out loud. If you're given this, how do you solve it? Meaning, think of different strategies. I am not looking at one solution. Okay. Each one of your brains can think differently, but I want at least two different strategies to be brought up.
if I do this one, I can see my name.
Hmm? Yeah, Aradhya, you have something? Go ahead.
You can you can multiply 6 times 7, which is 42, and then 8 times 9, which is 72, and then subtract.
But again, 42 and 72 are big numbers, Aradhya. 42 and 72 are big numbers. I don't want to sit and multiply 42 times 72 now. Mentally, I want to do this. Yes, Shankari, go ahead.
The you can do 7 times 8, which is 56, and then do 9 times 6, which is 54, and in the middle is 55, and 55 times 55 is 525.
Wait. 2000?
525.
Since it ends with 5, we put a 25 and then 5 times 6, right, Shankari?
Oh yeah, I
Good,
forgot.
good. Keep going. That's okay. Go ahead.
And then you have to just minus 1,
Yeah.
which is 3,024.
See how big of a problem you're all able to solve it so quickly. So you can play with numbers. Playing with numbers is the intent, okay? Once you start playing with numbers, you can figure out your own ways. Shri Mitran, did you follow what we did? Because you were not there for the last class, I'm asking you. Aradhya, did you follow Aradhya? Aradhya, it's not that your idea won't work. Please understand that your idea will definitely work. But you know what? You have to sit and do it mentally. Right? I mean, in a paper, right, ma? But here, do you see you are able to do it mentally quickly? That's the difference, Aradhya. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can I move on?
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
in the last class, I watched the video and learned the trick.
What is it? Tell me. Oh, this trick, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
This trick.
nice. Very, very,
Miss
very good. Yeah.
Shouldn't we put for the last question you put 25 and then you have to do 5 times 5 again, right?
Not really. 5 times the next number to 5. 5 times 6. Okay. You have that doubt, right? I want to revise that then. What is 35 square? I'm going to pick out people. Anjali, you tell me how to find out 35 square. Vihan, tell me what is 65 square.
65 square?
Yes.
35 square. Since there's 5 ending, there would be 25. And then 3 would turn, and then 3 you would do times 2.
Good. Times 2, Amma. Why? 3, the next number. The next number. What follows?
3, 4.
Okay. 4. Yeah. So what should come here?
A 4.
No. 3 times?
3 times 4
What is it?
is 12.
You got it? Vihan, go ahead with this Vihan now.
No, I didn't.
4,225.
Oh, good job. Hey, Shreyank, what is that, Shreyank? Shreyank, I missed you last week, Shreyank, right?
75 times 75 equals
7 times 8 is
Aditi, can you work on this?
525.
What is it?
5,625.
Very good job. Aditi, what is 95 square, ma?
25 square.
Miss Priya,
Premitran, can I ask you to do 105 square?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I do 1 in the tens? Another.
Absolutely, Anjali. Hold on. You want to do one more? Wait, ma. 1 minute.
But can
And
I do
Aditya, I want you to do this one. Srimitran, I want you to do this one.
Can I do 1 in the hundreds, please?
You can do
Miss
anything.
Priya,
Yeah.
the 5 is equal to 25 and 10 times 11
Oh, you're doing this. Okay. 10 times 11 is what?
121.
10 times what? 10 times 11 is what?
10 times 11 is
I'll wait for you. Hey, Srimitra, I wanted you to do this one.
Oh,
Okay, square, right?
110. 110.
110. Good job. 110 and a 25, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, 95 square. Aditi, are you ready or can I ask somebody else?
Miss Priya, can I?
I will definitely let you wait. Aditi, go ahead, ma.
Is it okay if you give this one to someone?
Absolutely. Thank you for letting me know. Go ahead, Vishwa.
Is it 9,025?
No, right? 25 and then 9 times 10.
It's 90.
90. 9,000. Oh,
That's what I said.
yes, sorry. Sorry, you said the answer. I'm sorry, Vishwa. So here, let's go ahead with this. I want you to try what else? Okay. Yeah. How about this? Vihan, you want to try? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Adya is keeping quiet. Let me ask Adya and Ananyas. Go ahead. 115 square.
10 times 12 times 120, 132.
Miss
1,000. Wait, what?
Yeah, you're right. Just tell the number. It's okay. You don't need to say it correctly, the number, but you can just say the.
It's 13,222.
Wow. 220?
5. Never mind.
Right. Good job.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
can I have one in the tens?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Miss Priya, can
Yeah.
you see my screen? I don't know if I can.
No comment number.
Uh, wait, ma. I'm not hearing you. Hold on. I want to do this one. 24 times 26. Anjali, go ahead quick.
I didn't.
Mm. You can all send the answers in chat rather than sitting quiet there. Everybody can send the answer in chat, so I will know how many of you know.
Miss Priya,
You cannot keep quiet there. You have to send it in chat, and the person who has been called will answer. Go ahead, Anjali.
how do you do it? Because the ones digits aren't the same.
But do you see the numbers? Is there anybody can anybody give a clue?
But 2 is the same.
Hmm?
But 2 is the same.
No. There is a way.
Uh,
Who can give the clue, not the answer? Who's going to give the clue? Good job, Shreyank. Shankari, good job. Shankari. Shankari. Shankari, see the unit digit? It has to end with a 4. Your answer ends with a 5. How is it correct? 6 times 4 is 24. Your answer should end with a 4.
Oh, I forgot it.
I know what you forgot. Okay, please send the answer, corrected answer.
wait, I've got an idea.
Uh-huh.
So but they're still not the same, but in the last question where there's 5, you can do 5 times 5, so you can do 4 times 6.
Anjali, not really Anjali. Who can give me a clue to do this? How many people answered? One of you can
Miss
give a
Priya,
clue. Ah.
the middle number is 25.
Nice, Vishwa. Thank you. Now can you go? Wait. Anjali, can you go ahead? Middle of this is 25, he says.
Yeah.
Does it give you?
So then you have to do 25 times 25.
Uh-huh.
And then 25 times 25 is 625. And then 625 minus 1
Good
is
job, minus 1.
624.
Wow, nice. Okay, let me bug you a little bit more. Okay, let me give you a harder problem. Okay, how about? I'm sorry. Who's going to try this one? Okay, I'll give the turn to Srimathan. He did not answer, right? How about that? Please answer. Vihan, Kripa, and all. Send the answer in chat. You guys know, right? Go ahead and answer. You can answer in chat. No problem at all. Go ahead, Srimitran. Hey, Vishwa, you can go ahead and try this, Vishwa. What is 45 square, Vishwa?
45 square.
Srimitran, go ahead and answer this. Others in chat, anybody can answer any question quick. I'm watching. Kripa, you made a mistake. It's not always one, Kripa.
Ma'am,
No, I did it
That
for
is
the.
not correct, Shankari.
I
See, that's why, guys.
I
Guys,
did
you're
it for.
not remembering what we discussed last week. That's the problem.
I did it for 33 times 37.
What did you do?
I did 1,224.
But you know the units digit ends with a 1. How did you get that?
Because
7 times 3.
I
See, the
did.
units digit, when you multiply, you should get that as the answer. Answer's units digit. It is a 1. So you did not get a 1. Definitely your answer is incorrect.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I did 35 times 35,
Good.
and it's
It's
5
two
equals
distance away.
25, and 3 times 4 is 12,
And then what did you subtract?
minus 2.
Not
I
2.
mean, minus 4.
Minus 2 squared. That's what many of you left it off. So what happens here? 1225 minus 2 squared. So the answer ends with a 1. Did you see, Kripa?
-1.
It's not always 1. The distance square you need to subtract.
And -4.
Yeah, minus 4, 1221 was the answer. Okay, hey, Vishwa, I asked you for 35 square, right? What did you do? 45 square I asked you. Go ahead and do. Quick.
Yeah, ma'am, I already did it. It's
What?
2025.
Okay, good, Vishwa. Okay, let me go ahead. Okay, let's see. How about this?
Miss Priya, can you tell the last sum again?
There you go. Okay, guys. Okay, shall we move on?
Is that why it's -4?
Because the distance square, the distance is 2 and you square that.
Oh.
Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's see. We'll go a little bit away from here, okay? I'm drawing something on the board, okay? Guys, before I go here, right, we were discussing these numbers. What are these types of numbers? What are they called? What are these numbers called? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 34, 35. Shankari, tell me.
Consecutive numbers.
Consecutive numbers. You know why I am telling you this? If I ask my 6th, 7th graders, they don't know what are consecutive numbers. I don't want you to be there. You see what I mean? You have to know this word. Consecutive numbers means next number sitting by the side. You got it? So 34, 35, 2, 3. This is just an English word, right? Consecutive numbers means 10, 11. Next numbers. You got it? And similarly, I also saw, see, in my recent Math Olympiad, right? There were kids that were asking me what are whole numbers. What, guys? What are whole numbers and what are counting numbers?
I know.
This one comes in 6th grade, but I don't want you to study in 6th grade, okay? You have to know what are these now. Let's say, what are counting numbers, guys? What numbers you used to count? You tell me. What numbers do you use to count? Tell me, guys. Yes, Akshara. Akshara, tell me.
1, 2, 3.
She nailed it. 1, 2, 3. Do you use 0 for counting?
No.
No, we don't use 0 for counting. So counting numbers are also called natural numbers. You got it? Hey, I will quiz you after 2-3 weeks on this. Remember, counting numbers are also called natural numbers. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't use 0 for counting, right? So counting numbers. Those are counting numbers. What are whole numbers?
They have a 0.
They have a 0. Good job. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it? So whole numbers include a
Whole
0.
numbers are starting with 0?
Yes. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay, that's just the extra bit discussion that the general knowledge on mathematics I want you to grab. Okay, so what do you mean by congruent? What do you mean by congruent? Yes, Shankari.
Two things are it basically means same.
Same shape, same size. Same shape, same size. You got it?
So these squares inside the box are congruent?
I'll come there. I'll come to that question. Okay. There are 3 rectangles, correct? You see 3 rectangles, right? They're all congruent. Okay. Now, perimeter of each rectangle is 16. You are going to draw this in your notebook. You are going to figure out. I'm going to help you. I'm going to be helping you out. I'm not going to work this out. Because you all know perimeter, you all know congruent, everything you know. You have to apply. Now, perimeter of each rectangle is 16. Okay. What is the area of the square?
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, three congruent rectangles make up a square. Okay. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16. Ananya ji, you want to explain? Wait, ma, 1 minute. Oh wow, Vihan, I do see your answers. Good job. Nice, Shreyank. Each of you have different answers. I don't know what to say.
Miss
You
Priya,
guys think and tell me.
am I correct?
I don't know. Each of you have different answers. I want to wait.
Miss Priya,
Priya,
am
I correct?
Miss Priya, have you learned this before?
I've given you similar problem, meaning it's most of a spiral review, meaning I did work on this for one whole class some months back. Remember, from a book, and that book has also been put in Google Classroom. The same area perimeter when we discussed a similar problem, not the same problem. So I'm trying to give another problem of the same type, trying to see whether you got it.
I only get half of it. I don't get the other half.
Full of it. It's okay. You get half of it. That itself is a win. Don't worry.
I wasn't here, so I don't know what this is.
That's okay, but you can try. It's all perimeter. That's all. Only perimeter, and they're asking you for the area. Srimitran got 48. Ananyaji got 48. Some of you got 96. What, guys? Okay, I can give you a clue. What is a perimeter? Perimeter of the rectangle means what, guys? Can I name this side long? Can I name this side short?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I have that, what is 28? Akshara got 28. Shreyank got 48. So let's analyze.
I know how 48.
But this is a hard problem, ma. But since we have already done it, right? I'm expecting you to solve. That's all.
Okay.
Go ahead. So basically, what is a perimeter? How can you define a perimeter here? Define the perimeter of the rectangle.
By counting the outer length.
Exactly. So.
So each rectangle in the box are 16. So then 16 times 3 is 48.
That is the perimeter. Oh, no. Perimeter of the rectangle. When you go around these rectangles, you add them up, you get 16. But I'm asking you for the area of the square.
Miss Priya.
I did not give you the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is not 16, Amma. So it cannot be 48, Shreyank. Did you get the problem, Shreyank?
Yeah, I corrected my answer.
Oh, you corrected your answer. Not really, Shreyank. Not quite there, but good.
I can explain.
So,
Explain.
but then when 48, you have to like kind of divide it because 48 is the perimeter, and then you take.
48 is not the perimeter, right, ma? The perimeter of the square consists of only 4 of this. Okay. The perimeter of each rectangle is very different. The perimeter of each rectangle is all the 4 sides. This rectangle is all the 4 sides. This rectangle is all the 4 sides. Perimeter is too long if you sum up all the 3 rectangles. Whereas the square just consists of 4 of these sides. You got it? So you cannot add the smaller perimeters to get the bigger perimeter because these sides are all extras, right? So that you can't do.
But then if each rectangle is 16 perimeter, like the perimeter of each rectangle in this is 16, right?
Yeah. Shankari, good job, Shankari. Proud of you.
So you need to find the area, and then the area is the inside length. So
Yeah, area is the inside length.
So you have to first find the perimeter to find the area.
That's what I'm asking you, Anjali.
So I got it's 16 plus 16 plus 16, or 16 times 3 is 48.
No, Anjali, you cannot do that. 16 times 3 is not the area. It's not this.
I know it's not the area, but it's
Then what is the use of adding all the perimeter? If you add all the perimeter, you're adding this. Again, one more time you are using this measurement and adding this. Again, you're using one more measurement of this. See, you're adding this 2 times. You're adding this line 2 times. Again, you're adding all of this, right?
But then, do you? Well, I don't know how to do it.
Okay. Shankari, you want to explain? What did you do? Vihan, how did you do?
I did not get it.
Okay. Okay, you want to go ahead, ma?
I explain.
You got the answer, ma? Did you get the answer? Go ahead. Ananya V, what is the answer you got, ma? Did you send it? Please send the answer, guys, then I'll know. Ananya, particularly you, Ananya V, in particular, you have done a lot of problems with your mom on that. Remember?
Miss Priya.
1 minute, Shankari. Go ahead.
I know the answer, but like my chat is not working.
Oh, okay. Tell it out. What is your answer?
40.
Not really. You want to recheck?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'll give you more clues. Shankari, you can explain, but wait, ma. Here, long, short. When you think about this long, right? Long is the same as this long. Does that give you a clue? When you look at it, right, long is made up of 3 shots.
Wait, long time short is the hand.
Yeah, long time short is not the area. Long times long is the area.
Yeah, but we need to find the long number and the short number.
Exactly, that's right. Good job. But there is something given. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16.
So you can like kind of divide the 16, so you can only get this like half of it.
Nobody says anything is half. What is half of what?
16's half is 8.
8. Yeah, but where is 8? I don't see any halving here. It's a little tricky. Anjali, where is halved? What is halved? I don't see anything halved here.
Yeah, but then how do you get the short number?
Okay, let's see what Shankari did. Shankari, go ahead.
So I got 36 as my answer
36
because
is right. Good job. 36 unit square is your area. Very good.
because each rectangle has a perimeter of 16.
So this is what is
So-
given. You're going to use what is given and then work it out from there. Go ahead, Shankari.
So half of 16 is 8 and half of 8 is 4. And you have to have 4 again, which is 2. And 2 is going to be the short side.
How do you know that?
Because
She says 2 is the short side. Why do you say that?
because since 8 plus 8 is 16,
Okay, good.
6 plus 2, it's 8. And since you have 2 shorts and 2 long, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 16.
Good job. Okay. So, okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You want to finish? I'll explain. 1 minute. Finish, Shankari.
So for the short is 2, so 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 times 3 is 6, and the long side is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36 for the area.
Okay, nice. Okay. Yes. Who has questions? I'm going to explain. Go ahead.
Got 21 as my answer I'll tell you how I did it.
Yeah, you can tell me.
I did 7 as the short, and 1 as the short sides, and 7 as the
Long side?
long side, and then I did 7 plus 7 equals 14, and
Okay.
then I did 1 plus 1.
16. That is all correct, Shreyank. But where you missed is, Shreyank, I said this is a square. You said this was 7. Per your if I go by your calculation, this is a 3. But both should be equal, right, Shreyank? Because it is a square. You went wrong there. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you it's a square. You did not obey that one rule that got you wrong. You got it? So again and again, see, one thing for you all, right? You reread the problem. Once you fix up something, fix some measures, right? Go and read the problem. Am I obeying everything? No. Per your assumption, it is not even a square because this is 6 and this is 3. So something went wrong. Okay, now I'm going to explain, guys. Okay, so what does it mean? Perimeter of each rectangle. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16 means what? Long, long, short, short. That makes the perimeter of the rectangle, right? So write it down like that. That's equal to 16. Clear? Okay. Now, if that is the case, right, there are 2 long and 2 shorts. So what is long plus short? Who can tell me? If I have 2 long and 2 shorts making up 16, what is short plus long? Quick, guys.
That is 8.
8. Good job. That is 8. So, 1 long and a short add up to 8. You're all very clear, right? But you know this, there is something here. This long is equal to 3 shorts. Wherever I see a long, I can put what? Wherever I see a long, how many shorts I can replace with?
3.
3. 3 short plus 1 short. Do you see? How many shorts are there?
3.
6 totally.
Here. I am here. 8 will be equal to long plus short. Long can be replaced with 3 shorts. So how many shorts make up 8?
4.
4 shorts make up 8. So what is the short? 4 short lengths make up 8. So what is 1 short length?
2.
2. 2, 2, 2. So what is that 1 long? 1 long is 3 shorts, right?
6.
Yeah.
6. You all are getting it. See? Now, is it a square still? Yes, this is 6. This is 6. It is still a square. So the area of the square is 36. Got it, guys?
I kind of got it now.
Yeah, it's a little very tricky, but it's all based on what you learned. Nothing new. So the strategy here is to apply. See here. See, when you think of the perimeter of each means, write it down like this. Your hand should start moving. Your brain alone cannot think sometimes. Write it down. But what is the relation between the long and short? Look at this figure. There are 3 shorts in a long. You see, that's the clue there. You got it?
Yes.
So 4 shorts will be 8. 1 short is 2. Okay, guys, I think I spent a lot of time on this. Now, you guys are going to sit and meddle with all those problems in there. Can I give you one more and check this one? We are moving very slowly, but it's okay. Okay, now, how about this? See, guys, this one I want you to think, okay? Okay, how about this? I'll wait to see who gets it, okay? If you don't get it, you don't have to panic, okay? That's not the intent of the class. How about this? But I want you to get it. That is also there, okay? So okay, let me write down for you, okay? I don't want you to have it in the brain. 4 congruent rectangles. Each has perimeter equal to 12. Okay? 4 congruent rectangles make up a square. Oh, very similar problem though, but that's okay. What is the perimeter of the big square? What is the perimeter of the big square?
Miss Priya, do you mean the big square in the middle or like the whole square, like the whole entire one?
Whole entire square, ma'am.
The middle one?
இல்லம்மா whole square ma. Perimeter of the big square. There are only two squares. Okay, one is a small square, one is a big square. So what they are wanting? Four congruent rectangles, each has a perimeter of 12. Okay. They are arranged as shown. What is the perimeter of the big square they are making? What is the perimeter of the big square they are making? Four congruent rectangles. It's not a hard one at all. First, what is given? From the given only you can ask. Anytime you can start only from the given. Each rectangle has a perimeter of 12. How do I write it, guys? I'm waiting for your answers though. Kripa, you did not understand the earlier one? Okay. You listen this one, you'll be able to understand nicely. Same, meaning similar pattern, right? There's no difference between the two. Let me see, guys. Oh wow, Kripa, did you come up with your own answer? Good try, Kripa. I really appreciate your try. Very nicely done, even when you said you didn't understand. Shankari, that's right. Wow. Akshara replied, good job. Aradhya, I'm asking for the perimeter of the big square, ma. How can it be 3, ma? I'm asking you for the perimeter of this. You see, the rectangle itself has a perimeter of 12, so your answer should be greater than 12, right, ma? Aradhya, did you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's not 624, lady. Okay. Shall I help you? Anjali, you want to get started? Anjali or Kripa get started? Kripa, you're almost there. Not quite though. You're almost there. You're making a minor mistake. Okay, this time I'll let Akshara go through. She got the answer. Go ahead, Akshara. Ananya ji, well tried, but there is a mistake. Akshara or Ananya ji? Ananya ji, I want to explain to see where you made the mistake. Akshara, I want you to explain how you did. That's correct answer.
Miss Priya, I don't get this.
Because you did not write, what did you write down on the paper?
I did 12 times 4.
No, that is the problem. This is what I said you should not be doing. I said what is given. First of all, break down what is given. Each is a perimeter equal to 12 means what should you do?
You have to break it so then you can know the sides of it for the big or the big square.
You are not bothered about the big square. First, what is given? Each is a perimeter of 12 means what is in each? What is in each, first of all? Each of these rectangles will contain what?
12.
Perimeter is 12, but what do they contain?
Like
Yes,
as
huh?
like as area.
Not really. What are the sides? 1 minute. Ananya ji, what is it? What's your
Can I
question?
explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
So first I counted how many rectangles were there, and then I got 6 because I split the big square in half to make 2 rectangles.
Wait, Ananya ji. It is clearly given 4 congruent rectangles make up the square. We don't have 6 rectangles here, right? We have only 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it?
Yeah.
This we don't know what it is. For the congruent rectangles are those. I don't know about this rectangle. Nothing is given. You got it, ma?
Yeah.
So that was the assumption mistake. Okay, now Shankari. What is your question, Shankari?
Can I explain?
I would really want Akshara to explain. Is that okay, ma?
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Akshara, go ahead and explain, Akshara. How did you do? You got it right.
So basically, I counted the short sides as 1.
You counted the short side as 1. Why did you take the short side as 1? Who told you that the short side is 1? See, perimeter of the rectangle means what makes the perimeter of the rectangle? Two short sides which are exactly the same. So, two short sides and two long sides make up 12. Then what is one short and long? One short plus one long is how much?
6.
6. Good job. You know, one short, this one long, and one short makes up 6. That means what? This side is made up of a long and a short. You have to look at the diagram as well. You already got the answer. The short and the long make up 6. So what is the perimeter of the big square? Anjali, now you tell me, what is the perimeter of the big square?
23.
23, why?
Because 6, because there's like short sides of
We calculated the long side plus the short is 6. So each of this
yeah,
long plus short.
so that means the short side is 1 and then the long side is 6 or 5.
No, short and long together is 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking you, what is the perimeter of the square? What is the added value of all of this?
Oh,
What is the answer?
since short plus long equals 6, the long side or 6 times 4.
Good. 6 times 4 is a 24 centimeters the answer. Good job, guys. Shreyank, did you get it?
Not really.
What is that you didn't get? See, what makes up the perimeter of the rectangle, Shreyank? What makes up the perimeter of the rectangle? 12, ma, that I know. Okay, but what makes up? What are the sides that make up the rectangle?
One short and one long.
One
Two
short and one
shorts
long?
and one long.
Huh?
Shorts. Two shorts, one. Two shorts, two long.
Two shorts and two long make up 12. So what is one short and one long?
Miss Priya, can I tell the answer?
You send the answer to me, Srimitran.
Okay.
What is one short and one long, Shreyank? See,
5 and 5.
two short and two long make up 12. So what is one short and one long?
It equals 5.
Why would it be 5? Two short and two long make up 12. So what is one short and one long? Okay, let me ask you this. You and your sister have 12 candies. How many candies do you have? You and your sister had 12 candies. How many candies do you have?
6.
6. So,
Short and one long is 6.
see? One short and one long is 6. So, this is one long, one short is 6. So, the each side of a square is made up of one short and one long. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So, what is the perimeter?
The perimeter would be, of the big square, it would be 24.
That's it. Okay, there are a lot of problems like this, so you're going to break your heads on this. Okay, there are a lot of problems in the sense you'll have to sit and look through the diagram, what is given, how to write what is given, like what I understand. The perimeter of a big rectangle means there are two shorts and two longs that make up the perimeter. What makes up the area? Long times short makes up the area. If it is a square, what happens? Four sides make up the perimeter. If it is the area, side times side makes up the area. So these things, if you know, it's more than enough to solve. However, it's important to see what is given and what is in the diagram. Let's do this one. How do you write this as a sum of two perfect squares? How do you write this as a sum of two perfect squares?
Can we answer in chat?
You can shout out, ma. Let's discuss this, ma. This is new, right, ma?
Okay.
We are not yet there to be able to answer. Everybody is not there to be able to answer in chat. Go ahead. Vihan, you told good job to yourself. Good job. Go ahead. 41. How to split it? Srimitran, good job. Adya, good job. Go ahead. How do you write it as a sum of two perfect squares? Aditi, you tell me, ma. You've been so quiet today. What is a square number? What is a square number that can fit here? What are square numbers, guys? Write down the perfect squares. 1, 4, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. This is what I will do if I were you. 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. Like that I'll keep writing down. But I don't need all this because only given thing is only 41. So what can I do?
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I put my answer in chat.
you put your answer in chat. I did not check yet. I was writing these. Okay. Good job. That's correct, Shankari. I want all of you to think this one everybody can answer. I'm going to wait.
Is there multiples of answers?
No. You don't need to find one more. That's it. That's the only answer. Your answer is right.
Okay.
Go ahead, guys.
Am I supposed to?
Should I do
What? Guys,
Should I do it in chat?
you shout out. It's okay.
It's 25 plus 16.
Exactly. See the units digit, guys. There is a 1. See, 6 plus 5 adds up to a 1. So that's a very likely answer. So when I add 16 plus 25, they both are perfect square and they add up to 41. Did you guys get it?
Yes.
That is why I write down like this. And Kripa, did you understand the last question, the long plus short?
Wait, so Miss Priya, for that question, you have to do the two perfect square numbers and then add them to see what number would equal.
Exactly, that's what I asked, right? Fill in with two perfect square numbers, I told you. Perfect squares I wrote. Which two numbers add up to 41, I asked.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Hey, Kripa, I asked you a question. What happened? Did you understand or not?
Understood.
Oh, good. Okay, this one you're going to do, guys. Okay, there are 3 perfect squares now. This one, please answer in chat. You know how it works. So you just need to write down all the perfect squares, see what works. Please, this one I want all of you to answer it correctly. And I want to finish perfect square today somehow, Guys, good that you're all telling me what you did not know, the double star problems. Okay, do definitely tell me. but I'm not going to discuss that just for want of time. I will want you to go back. Sometime later, I'll come back with those. So don't worry about it, okay? I have noted down what you don't know. The double star questions I'm not going to discuss in class because that'll take away the time. Go ahead. So at least we have to be at a point where we are 90%. Go ahead. Uh, Srimitran, good job, but I'm waiting for this answer. Vihan, good job. And the last one, Shreyang, good job. Let's see. What did I do? 8 square is 91. I have written. Nobody's telling me I'm incorrect. Okay, that's all. Because 70, because if I go to 9 square, it's 81, which is not needed. Now you're going to fill in this. Tell me, guys. Take your time, no hurry though.
Should do that? Do the numbers have to all be different, or is it okay if sometimes the numbers the same?
Um, yeah, it's okay to be the same as well. Let me hear. I just said perfect squares, so it can be the same.
3 7
Try.
7 49 49.
Not a very hard one, but yeah, it takes a little bit of thinking. You have to play with numbers, figure out.
Miss Priya,
Yes,
am I correct?
I can check. Sorry, I did not see your answer. Thanks for telling me.
Vishwa, 3 numbers. Try பண்ணு.
Wow, good job, lady. See, that's how you play with numbers, right?
Priya,
Can
Yeah.
can you check my answer?
Yeah, I'm checking one by one, ma. 1 minute. I got several answers. Good job, guys.
I got it, but it's not with 3 numbers. I can get it with 4 numbers.
But you have to get with 3 numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so try for 3 numbers. It's just playing addition.
Okay.
You're playing with the numbers, you're fighting it out. You're making it work for you.
Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm.
am I correct?
I did reply to you.
Oh, I see it.
Vihan, if I may ask you, what is that running at the back, Vihan? I'm so curious to know. I would like to have something like that. What is that? Really? What is that? You don't want to tell me? You're talking on mute if you're talking. Okay, let's go ahead. Guys, I'm waiting for some of you.
Screen, my video is not there, so I don't know.
I don't get it, Vihan. That's okay. No problem.
Is it in the next class?
Okay. You'll tell me in the next class. Good. Go
Wait,
ahead.
can you see my video?
I don't know. Something is running at the back. That's what I see. I don't know what is running.
Yeah, but can you see my video?
Yeah, I can see your video nicely.
But I can't see my video.
No, that's
Miss
okay. Don't worry about it. You don't have to see yourself. Huh?
Am I correct?
Yeah, I'll check. Oh, wow. Good job, Vishwa. I replied to you. See, think, okay. Those of you are completed, right? You don't need to waste your time. I'm going to give you something else. How about this? Whoever has done can go to the red question. Again, you're going to fill in with perfect squares. Whoever is done, go to the new one. Whoever has not, you should finish this and go. 70, fill it in with 3 numbers. Guys, look at the units digit. It has to end with a 0. 3 numbers should add up to a 0. Which 3 numbers I can make use of? I can use these 2, but there are only 2. That does not work. You have to have 3 numbers that end with a 0. Summing up should end with a 0.
Priyanti.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
You are going to pick up three of these numbers, which will end up with 70. When you sum them up, you should end with a 70.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you
Do
can
they,
try still?
yeah, do they all have to be different numbers or can they be the same?
They can be the same, but in the answer, actually, for this one, they will be different.
Okay.
Why?
Can you check my answer?
Yeah, I can. I have so many answers. I didn't see. Sorry.
36 plus.
Uh, Kripa. Kripa, sum the units digit. It ends with a 6, but I want to say, oh, you're giving me the answer for this one. Okay. Kripa, that's right. See, guys, you have got a hang of it. Good job. Anjali, did you figure it out or God help, Anjali? Did you figure it out or God help?
I got help.
Okay, it's okay, ma. It's okay.
Miss
Um,
Priya, am I correct for the second one? Yes.
okay, guys, I'm going to move on. Aradhya, very nice, Aradhya. Aradhya, did you get help or did you do it by yourself?
I did it by myself.
Akshara, I know that you have done it by yourself. Good job, guys. So here, for those of you who did not follow, right? So see here. When you think about 6, 5, 9. See, 6 plus 5 is a 1. 1 plus, I'm only considering units digit is your big treasure. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is ends with a 0. That's my clue, guys. See, 16, 25, 9. You see, when you add them together, 11 plus 9, 2 carries over. Ah, wow, 2, 4, 5.
Miss Priya,
See, okay, go ahead.
um, I used a strategy for the red equation, the second one. I just
Can I come
made
back on that?
it.
I'll finish this. I'm explaining the first one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this. 16, 25, 9. Add up to a 0 at the end. So why don't I try that? Now if I try that, 11 plus 9 is a 20. 2, 2, 4, 5, 50. Oh my goodness. That's not working. Okay, I need 20 more. If I need 20 more, I can take away this and add this. That gives me 20 more. So why don't I try 9, 25, 36? 25, 36, 9. 11 plus 9 is a 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, I got it. See? Aditi, Aditi, you got it?
Yeah.
Good. So like that. Okay, now Shankari explain 56. You wanted to explain, right, ma? Go ahead.
So my strategy was to get tens and then just add 16
Uh-huh.
because it ends with the 6.
Yeah, it ends with a 6. So what did you do?
I did 36 plus 4 plus 16.
36 plus 4. Okay, ends with a 0. And then you added a 16. Let's try that. 36, 16 and a 4. The 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 36 is 56. Good job. The units digit gives away everything for you. Okay, and one last question I want to give you guys. Okay, this one I want you to do. I don't know whether you can do it by yourself at home, but I want you to do it. Okay, so let's do one problem. I'll let you go after that only. Okay, so how about this? You know what? One second, guys. Last week itself, I prepared to do this with you guys. I couldn't do it. So let's see. Geometry, guys, please hold on, guys. Please bear with me. Hold on. I'm going to discuss something with these kids and then only start the class. Okay. So let's try that. Okay. I'm going to do this. Okay. We'll play around. Okay. Now, I'm arranging big squares. Okay. I'm arranging big squares in grids. Okay. Now, I'll give you this for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3. Okay, let's do this. 7 by 6 square. I'm going to draw a 7 by 6 square. I'll do this and let you go, okay? Let's see. Please be patient, okay? 2, 3. I wanted to discuss with you last week, so it keeps on going. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Indeed, I had prepared with other squares as well. I could not talk to you on this. Okay. Let's try this one. Now this is 7 by 6 square. Okay. These two are shaded. You cannot use these. That means if I shade them, you cannot use these. Okay. This is as well perfect squares only. So if I do one, you can do the rest at home. You can at least try the rest at home is my thought. Okay. Now these two are shaded. Okay. You cannot use these. Okay. It's just more of playing. Okay. So I want you to play around these at home. Okay. Now you have this 1, 2 here. Okay. Now what I'm asking you to do is I'll give you wait, let me write it down for you. Now, 1 square I'll give you with area 16. 16 unit square. I give you 1 square. Okay. I give you one with area, another square I give you with area 9 unit square. Okay. And then I'll also give you 3 with area 4. 3 with area 4 square. 3 squares I'll give you with area 4 unit square. Okay. Now I want you to rearrange all of these squares into this big square. I want you to rearrange this one square which contains 16 unit square as the area. One square which contains 9 unit square as the area. Another 3 squares with 4 unit square as the area into this big square. How can I do it? See, I'll take the biggest square. Where can I position this biggest square? The biggest square is 16. Where can I position this biggest square? Where is the only place where can I fix this biggest square? Because that needs to go first. Where can I position that?
In the top.
In the
Ah, everybody got it. The top. Because this is the only place where a 4 by 4 will go. There are 16 squares, you see. So this one will go here. Good job. So I'm done with this.
Like that.
Then where can I position the next big? Because big ones I can position quickly.
You can put it in
Other one.
the next corner next to the 16.
Yeah.
Very nice. Next corner. Yes. So that goes in here. Good job. Now I have 3 more squares. Where to position them?
Below
Below the 9.
Below the
9.
below the 9. Yes, one goes here. Good job. I have 2 more.
Below the 16.
Yes, there's one 4 here.
And then one in the middle.
And then one more here. Good job, guys. So you can play around this at home, right, guys? So they have given, meaning I want you to do a lot of problems like this. But when you think about it, each of this is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. 16 is you'll get used to them. Okay. So I really want you to put perfect squares into bigger squares. Can we try that at home? Okay, guys. I'll stop here. Let you go. We'll see you next week. Okay. Thanks for your patience, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
I have a question.
Yes, ma.
So I'm practicing for the start test in 3rd grade. So, over here, this question here.
Do one thing. Send a picture to me. I'll reply to your mom.
Okay.
Okay, that's what your mom does already. So, yeah, give it to her. She'll send it to me. I'll help you out. Sorry about it, okay? But I will do it. Otherwise, you ask me next week. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Really appreciate it, okay?
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. But without fail, Shankari, do it this week, okay? Bye, ma. See you all next week.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
Shri.
Miss Priya. What did you say, Miss Priya? I couldn't hear you.
Definitely send it by through a message to me. I will help you out. I'm saying otherwise ask me when you come in for the next class. Without fail, I'll remind you.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Hi, guys. How are you all?
Good.
Nishka, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Video, ma. Video is mandatory for the class, ma. Okay, let's go ahead. Where were we? Where were we on that trigonometry thing, first of all? Did you have any questions on the trigonometry thing?
The homework was really easy.
Easy, yeah, I know.
Yeah, it was really easy.
Easy, yeah. Next one also will be easy, guys. But we didn't discuss angle of. We did discuss a little bit, but we didn't do any homework on angle of elevation and depression. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Nishka, where are we, ma? Just give me a brief of where we are with geometry. What are you doing in school?
I haven't started trigonometry yet. Last week it was special triangles or something like that.
Oh, at school?
Yes.
Okay. In our class, I did start the basics of trigonometry last week. So there might be places where you might not understand a little bit when we get started. So what I would want you to do is when I open up the Google Classroom, you have the recording of last week, so you can go through that as well. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. But as and when we go over as well, I will review that and you should be able to cope with. Okay. Mahir, this week it's okay, Mahir. I did see your message. It's really okay. But next week I want the video to be on, ma. Okay. Are you feeling better this week, Mahir?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. How about this? Okay. Last week when we started discussing, remember? So I am standing on the road. Okay. This is me. Okay. My eyes are here. Okay. I am looking at a tree. I'm looking at the top of the tree. I'm looking at the top of the tree. Okay. There's a bird in here. Or there's a bird in here sitting. So I'm looking at that bird. When my eyes are looking at the bird, always, guys, in trigonometry, any word problem, please draw this line. This is an auxiliary line that you draw. Auxiliary line means extra lines that you draw to make yourself comfortable with the diagram. So this is an auxiliary line you draw always whenever I am seeing from top or bottom, meaning I am looking up now. If you look up or look down, please draw your eyesight level one line. That line is so important. Okay. So this is your line of sight. Okay. Now, when you're looking at the bird, right, the angle that you make, let's say, is 45 degrees. Okay. This angle, what is it called? Dhruv?
Angle of elevation.
Yep. Angle of elevation. Okay. Now, similarly, this bird is a nice bird sitting on the top of the tree. But that bird is is looking at a fish. There is a pond in here. And it is looking at a fish here. Here, again, I told you, right, that line of sight is so important. For the bird or me, it's so important to draw the line of sight. This is the line of sight. This is called the line of sight. Please draw that, okay? This is called the line of sight. Now, when I look up, this angle of elevation is on top of my line of sight. When I look down, I'm looking down. So the angle made is, let's say, if I give you 45, what is this called? This is called the angle of depression. I'm looking down. Do you see? So, line of sight is here. It will come down. When you think about it a little more, the line of sight and the ground forms parallel lines. As a result, this angle 45 is the same as this angle. Make sense, guys? Nishika, are you able to follow? Okay. Did you all get it? What is angle of sight, angle of elevation, depression? Okay. Now, I'm going to review last week's. Okay. Then only I'm going to come here. Okay. Now, how about this? Can you do this problem for me? This one, first of all, any trigonometry problem, I really want you to draw the picture. Whatever I give you, please draw the picture. Use your calculator. Make sure in the calculator, I have time and again told you, you have to put it in degrees first. Okay. And then see whether you can answer. Nishika, you may not be able to. When I go through the answer, you should be able to. But drawing the diagram, you can still do and show me. Dhruv, really, Dhruv? Is that right? Can I see your diagram, Dhruv?
Should I draw it out?
Yeah, you can write on the board. You know how to draw on the board, right?
Yeah,
Write on
so
the board.
like
No, I just want to see because I feel like the answer is not correct, but maybe I don't know. Let's
so
see.
like
I'll do it on the board.
like say this is like the line of sight,
Mm.
and this is a hill, like the hill's up here. Say this is a hill, and he's looking up at it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this would be 49,
Okay.
and this is point A, right?
Correct.
So so then it's saying, if point A is 400 feet from the base of the hill. Oh wait, from here, right? So this would be 400.
Did you put the other one, the
Yeah,
hypotenuse 400?
I put
I
this
know,
as
I know, I know. See, that happens. See, that's right. See, everybody does the same thing. I've gone through the same thing too, right? So, yeah. So, it's natural. That's why I'm saying you reread the problem, draw the diagram. Make sure again you read the problem. Did I do the readings correct? So, that is one way to avoid the problems because it's natural. I would have also put that as 400 feet. But when you read it again, oh my god, point A to the base of the hill is 400. Nishika, did you get that?
Yeah, I thought it's the top of this.
Oh, no problem. Go ahead and redo.
Yeah.
Nishka, where are we, ma? Because see, I'm worried about you because you are completely new to trig, right? I think that's right, lady Ashrita. Srishti, that's right, ma. Nishka, were you able to draw the picture?
Yes.
Okay. You're not able to work it out, right, ma?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so I'll go over it very fast for you because see, we did it last week and you are coming in the middle. Okay, so here there are three ratios which I want you all to know. Okay, sine of an angle is equal to opposite by, these are all applicable only to right triangles. Okay, okay, now opposite by hypotenuse, cos, these are all functions. Okay, very detailed we have already studied last week, that's why I'm going a little bit fast here. Okay, adjacent by hypotenuse, tan of an angle is, see, just like a linear function, quadratic function, sine is a function, cos is a function, tan is a function. Okay, this is cosine, this is sine, this is tangent, those are the names of the functions. So you have opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, and then this is opposite by adjacent. What are these? Let me consider a right triangle. This is a right triangle. If I call this as my angle theta, angle theta is a Greek alphabet, that's all. I can write it out as A, angle A, sine A, cos A, like that I can write it. It's just naming, okay? So sine A is, let's say this, the length, I give it to you as 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically what are we doing with these ratios and right triangles? We are just understanding and finding out, hey, this length should be like this length should be like this, or this angle should be this. We are trying to find out the angles and lengths of right triangles with trigonometry. That's all we are doing. So here, what is this? I don't know what is the angle, how to find it. I can see, let's say I give you this as 3 and 4. So to this angle, the opposite side is given, the adjacent side is given. Adjacent means it's sitting on that, right? So for this angle, opposite and adjacent are given. Which of these functions relate the opposite and adjacent? See here? So I can say tan A equal to 3 by 4, right? How to find out theta? How to find out theta? How do I find out theta? A, see here, just like multiplication, division, opposites, right? Addition, subtraction, they're opposites, right? So if I have this 4 plus 3, or if I have like this, right, x plus 3 equal to 5, what do? You do the opposite, right? Subtract 3 on both sides to get x. Like that, here tan A is given as 3 by 4, but I want to take out this tan. I cannot remove the tan separately, right? So I do a tan inverse on both sides. Tan inverse, the opposite function of tan. When I do the tan inverse on both sides, this will get cancelled, A will be separated out, and then tan inverse of 3 by 4, when you type it in the calculator, you get the angle in degrees. Okay, this one we went through last week. Nishka, are you able to follow a little bit of it?
Yes.
Okay. Those of you who did not understand will also understand now. So now coming to the problem, right? When we do more problems, you'll clearly get it again. Okay. So here let's see. Oh, sorry, Dhruv, I took off your diagram. So this one, I think most of you would have gotten in. Thanks, Dhruv. I really appreciate it. Okay. So here we go. 49 degrees. He explained the diagram, which was very nice. This is 49 degrees. I really don't want these colors. Okay. 49. This one is 400. Okay. Now, what we need to do, how high is the hill? How high? What? How high is the hill? So, what will you do? Oh, this is the hill. We need this. So, you're given the angle, you're given this, you're given this. For the angle, what is this side? This is the opposite side. What is this side? It's sitting on it, right? That's the adjacent side. So, what is the ratio that connects? Sine was opposite by adjacent. Cos was adjacent, sine was opposite by hypotenuse. I told you, right, the acronym SOH. Remember? CAH. So, CATUA. Tan is opposite by adjacent. So, which is that ratio that connects opposite side and adjacent side? Automatically tan. So, I will put tan 49 will be equal to h by 400. Now it's easy to find out h. How? 400 times tan 49 will be h. This you can type it in the calculator and get this. The calculator that you should be using is TI-84 CE+. If you don't have the physical calculator with you, you all know that you should go to ti84calc.com. There is a simulator. You can use that simulator. Type this in 400 times tan 49. But before you do that, guys, again and again and again, I am emphasizing, when you learn geometry, if you go to trigonometry, please go to mode. The first step you do is go to mode. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And then go ahead and type 400 times tan 49. You get the answer, whatever it is, 460.15 feet. Any questions here? Vibha, did you get it, Vibha? I didn't see your answer, Vibha.
I said my answer.
Why I didn't see your answer then? Yes, Vibha. Sorry. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Dhruv, how did you get 414, Dhruv?
I think I messed up the calculation.
Lala, you want to check now?
Yes. Sure.
Nishka, by the time you can check your calculation, are you able to do it in the calculator? Something, another thing to learn. Sahana, did you get it, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Shrishti, I didn't get yours, right, ma? What does it mean?
What?
No, I didn't get your answer right. What are you able to do?
Yeah, I was. It's my chat isn't working. Here, 1 second.
No, I do receive this complaint from everybody. I don't know what to do. Next time I'll have to enable.
Yeah.
I really feel bad about this. I don't know, ma. I think you guys. I
got the first answer. It clicked, but now it's not sending. I don't know what to. It's. I think
Are you ever not able to send in your answer? Nishka, the way class works is you can chat with me privately, meaning you can send in your answers. You cannot chat with each other, ma. But you have to send in your answers separately to me. Got it, ma?
Yes.
Miss Priya, it's 460.15, right?
No, yeah, 460, yeah, correct. What was the mistake, Dhruv?
I typed it wrong.
Okay.
I typed it. I put 414.6 or something.
Yeah. Oh, you typed it wrong. Okay. Kayura, I didn't see your answer. What happened?
Like by the time I figured it out, you already said the answer.
Oh, that's also you know. Okay, good. Okay.
I already sent my answer, Miss Priya, before.
Oh, Srishti.
Yeah, before you explained it. You said it was correct.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that. Okay. I was oblivious of that. Okay. Let's go on with the next one. I think it's good we spent enough time on this. Oh, Nabiha is coming in now. Okay. Okay, guys. Give me 1 minute. I was looking at something else. Okay. Okay. How about this? This is a teeny tiny bit difficult, but I want you to give one more easy question before I go for that. Okay. Mm, okay. Yeah, I want you to do one easy problem before I go to the harder ones, okay? So why don't you try this one for me? This is an easy one, but please try, guys. Using the calculator is the main thing. The diagram is the other thing. Vibha, you're understanding, Vibha, meaning you're able to match something of what we discuss here at school, Vibha? Don't switch your video, ma.
I understand, yeah.
But you're not using in school, right?
Not really.
Okay. How is it coming along? Meaning, how are you managing then? Meaning, where are you using? Meaning, at least the next year will you use it? Do you know?
Yeah, next year I'll use it.
Oh, then okay, ma. Okay, then let's move on.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
this is tan, right? Just making
Yes,
sure.
correct. Good.
Okay.
Why tan?
Because it's opposite adjacent.
Nice. Nishka, are you able to find out that it is the tan ratio that needs to be used?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Then are you able to use a calculator and find the answer?
It's not loading, so
What is not loading? Can you share screen? I'll help you. What is not loading?
like the calculator's not loading.
Do you
And
want to
like
share screen?
everything.
Just share screen with us. I will help you. Share screen. I'll tell you what to do. Are you using a laptop?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to share
It
screen and
like
show?
nothing's working. Like I can't even send anything in the chat.
Why?
I don't
Wait.
know.
Let us make everything work for you. Wait. Let me make it work for you. Nishka. You can reply to my chat, ma. Ashita, nice to see you. You're remembering, Ashita, to put it in degrees. Easy, right, Ashita? This one for you?
Yeah.
Very. Yes, I can see it. 2.8. Ma, is it 52?
Miss Priya,
Miss
Ashita, is your answer right? Can you check once?
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Something feels off, Ashita. Yes, ma.
Do we have to do the opposite tan thing?
Yes,
Can you show me how to do that on the calculator?
absolutely, I'll tell you. Nishka, what is not working? Are you able to reply to my chat? Nabiha, good to see you. Mitransh, can I get your answer?
The chat doesn't work for me.
Chat does not work. What do you mean by that? Let me see. Srishti, that's right. Mitransh, can you answer to my chat, Mitransh?
Miss Priya, I'm trying that, but it
No, no, you can
says.
answer to my message.
Miss Priya, I had a question.
Yeah.
So, about like arctan, like that's just the inverse of it, right?
Yeah. See, instead of writing this tan inverse, I can also write it as arctan. This is
Okay.
an extra bit of information I gave you last week.
Yeah.
That's all. Nishka, I want you to watch through the last week's video, ma, when you join the class. You got it?
Okay.
Because that's going to be very useful for you. Guys, a lot of answers I've not got.
Miss Priya, are you gonna show me how to do
Yes,
arctan?
I'm going to show you, ma. Sorry, wait. I just want one or two more answers.
Miss Priya is my answer correct?
Ashita, yes, Ashita. What made the answer difference, Ashita? Yes, Duru.
Subtract 5.
What? Ah, good. So that was a mistake. We found out. Good job.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Mitran's correct. Is your answer correct? Yes, I told you. Vibha, good job.
You did?
Okay, yes, I did, ma, but that's okay. Okay. A person whose eyes are 5 feet above the ground. Okay, this is my ground. Okay, I'm a 5 feet person. Okay, it's a tricky problem though. 5 feet above the ground is standing on a runway of the airport. See, this guy is 5 feet. Okay, he's standing on a runway of the airport. 100 meter from the control tower. This is 100 meter. The control tower is here. Nishka, where are we, Nishka? Were you able to draw?
Yes.
Okay. The person observes an air traffic controller at the window. See, this tower is 132 feet. The person observes an air traffic controller is sitting here at the window. This guy is observing here. The problem with this problem is a little tricky. Why? This guy is 5 feet, so his line of sight is here. Draw, guys, there is no other way. Okay, this is 5 feet. Okay, now what is the angle of elevation? Means they're asking for this angle. Okay, when they're asking for this angle, you know that this is 132 feet. But you see the right triangle forming, the right triangle is here. Right? So I need to find out this leg of the hypotenuse first. It's not what is given. 132, I have to subtract that 5, which is 129. Now, to
It's
find out my
127.
angle, what are given?
It's 127.
Sorry, 127. Thank you. Now, I know this leg is 127 and this is 100, I know. Right? Because from here parallel lines, right? Parallel lines are very useful in trigonometry. Now, if I want to find out my angle, what is that I can relate? Opposite and adjacent. So, which ratio can I use? So, this is opposite hypotenuse. This is adjacent hypotenuse. 2R. Opposite adjacent. So, I'll use the tan ratio. So, tan theta will be equal to 127 by 100. How am I going to separate out the theta? Take the inverse on both sides. Right? Now I get theta equal to tan inverse of 127 by 100. Okay. So I'm going to do this in the calculator quick. Okay. This is the last time I'll explain, I think. Afterwards, you have to pick up the calculator thing. Okay. Because last week we did. This week we are doing. Okay. Let me go here. Calculator. TI84 calc.com. Oh my god, what is this? I don't want all these. Okay, sorry guys. TI84 calc.com. Tan inverse of what did we do? 127 by 100, right?
Your screen stopped sharing.
Yeah, I don't know, ma. But suddenly it cut me off. I'm checking. I just saw that. Oh, you know what? My Chrome itself closed. I don't see my Chrome at all. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. One last time we'll do, okay? This one. After that, we are not going to do because it's just a waste of time, okay? But I want you to know well, right? So we'll do one. How many times to share? I don't know. I'm doing. Sorry, guys. Okay, I got it. Okay. So I want to restore it. Okay, I have so many tabs open. Okay, let's see this one. T84calc.com. Okay. So I'll use this. How to type out tan inverse? As I said, right? The first thing, you or me, it's a common rule. Okay. You have to go to mode and set up the mode. This is by default, you're always going to do, whether you do it in school or here. It's so important. Go to mode. When you go to mode, see, come here. Radian is enabled. Do you see it? Radian is in black. You have to change it to degrees. Radian. It should be degrees. Enter. Once you see the degrees, right? What I can do? I can enter. Okay, quit. Quit means how to press quit. You press. Where is the quit button? Second and mode. I quit. Okay, came out. Now what do? I go to tan inverse. Where is this tan inverse? Tan inverse is present here. Do you see tan inverse? That's what we need, right? But that is in blue color. So second tan inverse. When I do that, a bracket already opens for me. I just need to type 127 divide by 100. Bracket close, enter. So this is your answer. Got it? Can I move on? Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Priya.
No problem at all. Okay, I'll move on, guys. I'll stop share. Let's go to the next problem. See, problems will be a little harder as we move on, okay? So let's see. Yes, it's okay. I'll do this one. Okay. So, okay, the treasure for you when we do angle of elevation depression, these problems in trigonometry is you have to draw. Okay, many a time it won't be correct whatever reading you have written unless you reread the problem and match what you have written. That's so important. Okay, reread the problem 2-3 times, make sure it matches with what is asked, then you go ahead with the problem. You won't make mistakes at all. If you fail to do that, more often you'll make mistakes there. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. This is an easy problem but not related to elevation. Let's see. A ski run is 1000 yards long with a vertical drop of 208 yards. Vertical drop means altitude. Yeah, that's right. Go ahead. A ski run is 1000 yards long with a vertical drop of 208 yards. Guys, one of you draw the picture on the board, guys. Whoever wants to, you can try. Meaning, Dhruv, next, I want somebody else to try too. Go ahead. Thanks, Ashrita. Really appreciate it. See, find the angle of depression they are asking. Yeah, line of sight is so important. If you draw the line of sight, you'll never make mistakes. Depression means down the line of sight. Elevation means on top of the line of sight. Yep. How did you find which ratio to use, Ashrita? For the angle, what is there? With respect to the angle, what sides are given? Opposite and adjacent.
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks, Ma. So nice. Guys, try to figure it out and send the answer. Yeah, I think whoever answered seems right.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah, Ma.
I have to go in the car now.
Oh yeah,
I'm,
it's okay.
I'm
Yeah,
out.
switch off the video. Yeah.
Okay.
Dhruv, we know. Yeah. Switch off the video, but just be present, Dhruv. That's enough for you.
Yeah, okay.
Got it, guys? Ashita, did you get the answer, Ma?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just typed
Okay, got it. Okay, I'm waiting for other answers. Sahana, you got it right, Ma?
Miss Priya,
Hmm.
can you send me a message so I can reply to it and
Yes,
tell
I
you?
don't know why. Okay, yeah, I'll help you. I see. The thing is, I don't know what. Okay, from next week, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to Zoom and enable all the chat. Only thing is, I'll rely on you. Don't group chat. You got it? Meaning, don't be talking in between the class. If I observe that, I'll stop that. I mean, I'll disable that again. Okay, you're correct. I'm needing answers from others. Srishti, Nabiha, Mitransh, Vibha.
Yeah,
Okay.
I sent my answer.
Oh, Srishti, you sent them. Every time I'm asking you, right?
Yeah.
Vibha, correct, I think. Wait, Srishti. Yes, Srishti. But all of you are different. Are you? I don't know. See, the answers are like varying by point 0.4, point 0.5. Why is that? It should be very exact. See, each of you have a different. I don't know what is going on really. Yeah, actually, Mitransh and Srishti got it. But Vibha, what did you do, Vibha? What ratio did you use, ma?
I used tan.
Ah, that's the problem. Why
Isn't
did
it
you use
tan?
tan, ma? I'll help you. Why did you use tan? Okay,
Um,
tan you used, huh? Okay, tan is correct. Oh, why did you use tan? Wait. A ski run is 1,000 yards long with a vertical drop of 2.8. Ah, Ashita, this is incorrect, right, Ashita? The diagram.
Yeah,
Sorry,
the
sorry. I
diagram
did
is
not.
wrong.
Yeah, diagram is incorrect, right, Ashita? Where is the mistake? Find out. Ski run is 1,000 yards long.
Like this should be the 1,000.
yeah, it should go down. Never mind.
Ski run is. Wait, Ashruta. No. Uh-huh. Okay, let me go and explain this. Dhruv, what was the mistake you said? Can you find out the mistake? See, finding
Oh,
out mistake is also
so
an
like
art. Go ahead.
so if this is like the 1,000 thing, it's a vertical drop of 208, right?
Okay, ma, but where is this 1,000 in this diagram? The diagram is correct, but the markings are wrong. There
Yeah,
is a slight correction.
the
So where is
1,000
it?
should be here. And then the angle of depression should be this, right?
Aha, no. Not really. Dhruv, did you get your answer?
Yeah, I did. I put it in chat too.
That is incorrect, Dhruv. See? Okay, I do see your understanding. Where is the problem? Okay, let me explain. Dhruv and Ashrita.
Look, you're on the bottom.
See, wait. What is a ski run? You come from up to down, right? Which can be a ski run? Can this be a ski run? No, right?
Wait, isn't that vertical drop? So it should be like
This is
90.
the ski run, guys. You
Oh,
got it?
okay.
Ashrita, am I with you, Ashrita?
The ski run goes up like diagonally.
Yeah,
Yeah, I thought it was straight.
because you have to slide down, right? Ski run.
That's what that means. I didn't
Ski
really.
run. You're skiing.
Okay.
You're not skating. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Ski
I
run
thought
is. Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought it
See,
was like straight.
I'm with you guys. I'm with you. Okay. Just because I mean, I'm seeing it here, I can understand what's going on. Okay. I was also not knowing. Okay, ski run. Okay. I hear you. But ski run is this. Now, with a vertical drop of 208. Now you see the ratio what you use itself will differ. Okay. Nishka, do you know Nishka or Nabiha? What ratio should you use to find out X?
Fine.
Good job. Opposite hypotenuse, right? Nishka, are you following, ma?
Yes.
You don't have to answer today. That's okay. Okay. So sine x will be 208 by 1,000. Now what is that? How can I remove this sign? Take inverse. Sine inverse. Sine inverse. So x will be sine inverse of 208 by 1,000. Will be 12 degrees. Okay. I'm glad we found that out. Can I move on? Okay, now see the thing is, yes, even the smallest depression question, right? Questions with angles of depression, it's very easy to make mistakes. Okay, this one I want you to help me out, then I will do. Okay, I want you to help me out. I want somebody to draw the picture. Please draw the picture, and it's okay to go wrong. Okay, then only we'll be able to figure out and remember things. Okay, who wants to draw? Draw it on the board. It's
I
okay to
should.
go wrong because this is a hard question I'm going to solve. So one of you try.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Are you able to draw, Dhruv, when you're saying you're going in the car? Go ahead.
I'll try. So
Okay,
like
go ahead.
I'm standing here.
Mm-hmm.
This is 40 feet, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
You
and
know, I did not know the meaning of bluff, long back. So, yeah, good. 400 feet bluff is like a post.
so then like since you're up here,
Mm,
you can see like two dogs right
mm,
here. Like
mm,
one
mm,
here and another one's like over here.
mm.
So one is wait, yeah. So you're standing on a 40-foot bluff, right? So then like one would be 34. So like this one would be 34.
Uh, can I
And
suggest a correction?
oh wait, sure, sorry, one sec.
No problem.
Then
But can
like
you read the full problem and then start drawing? There's something else that's important you're missing.
6 feet above the ground.
Ah, yes.
But I'm standing on a 40-foot bluff, right?
Yes, you're standing. Nice questions. You're standing on a 40-foot bluff near your home. You see two dogs. Good job. The way you've drawn it is correct, but is that correct? Let's wait. You can see your two dogs on the beach below. Correct. Those lines are correct. But from where should the lines come? The angle of
Oh,
depression is coming from where they are saying if your eye level is 6 feet above the ground, you're already standing on the bluff. And then you're 6 feet above the ground means what?
oh, so you just add another 6 feet?
Exactly, because you're standing on the mountain, it's a bluff post. Okay, from that post, you're standing, your 6 feet height should be accounted for. Good.
Oh, so basically this is 46, right?
Yes, correct.
So then, like if this is like the angle of, I mean, it's this line of sight,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And so then like, so one dog's here,
Yeah, yeah. Again,
another dog,
there's a possibility of so many mistakes in here. Let's see.
another dog's here, right?
Uh-huh.
So this one would be the 34.
Let me call this as dog one and dog two.
Yeah, this one's 34, and this one is 48, right?
45, 48, correct. So see, he's marking the 48. Can I put it
Yeah.
correct? 40. Okay. So the bigger angle is 48, the smaller angle is 34. Guys, several of you might make the reverse mistake. Don't do that. This is correct. Okay, go ahead. Now
Yeah.
what happens? That's not enough for us. We don't get any right angles or the angle.
And
The
then
right.
we have to find this distance, right? It's the x.
Yeah, you have to find this distance, but let me extend all this, okay? But what do we have based on parallel lines?
Yeah, this is the right angle, right?
Yeah, that's right. This is a right angle, correct. But we don't have angles within the right angle, right? Right triangle, right? So what do we do?
We know that like this whole thing, this thing is 34 plus 48, which would be like 82 or something.
Wait. Where is that 32 plus? I don't get it, Dhruv. What is that?
Like since this whole is this whole thing like a right angle, like this thing?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that whole thing. Yes. Good job.
Yeah.
That
This
whole
would
thing
be
is a
like,
right angle,
this would
correct.
be 8 degrees, right?
That will be. How did you find it?
Oh, sorry, no, not 8 degrees. Wait. Um,
It'll be
43 degrees?
yeah, 42
Good.
degrees.
43 degrees. Dhruv, can I make it easy on you?
Yeah.
Dhruv, use these parallel lines, Dhruv. This and this are parallel lines, right? This is a transversal, this is a transversal, right?
So then these two would be equal.
Which two will be equal?
This angle
This
and
angle will be the same as which angle?
um
This is my transversal for that.
this angle,
Yes. So what is this angle?
48.
48.
But then this angle would also be 40. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
That angle won't be 48. That angle
Yeah.
will be what? This again, these two are parallel lines. This is my parallel lines, right?
Yeah, it would be 34, right?
Yes, this is my transversal. This is my transversal. So if this is 34, this will be 34.
Mhm.
How many of you did not understand this? Vibha, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Nishka, you?
Yes.
Okay, but the thing is, they're asking you to find something else unrelated. This is the distance I need to find. What are your options? Who can suggest ideas?
So I think we have to first figure out like the base of the first right triangle.
Very nice. So, base of the first right triangle, you will find AD1. Okay, and
And then you figure out AD2.
then you'll figure
Yeah.
out AD2, and then
Subtract
And then
the
you,
values.
very nice. This is your answer. Can you do that?
Mhm.
You're going to figure out. See, for the first right triangle, which is our first right triangle, this is our first right triangle, right? You have the degrees, okay? But what is that you have? What you need to find AD1. What this is your angle given. You have this, you have this. So what ratio will you use to find AD1? You have to think. Opposite, adjacent. So what ratio uses that? Use that ratio and find out AD1. Similarly, then go to your bigger triangle. What is that bigger triangle? This right triangle. Use your angle. You have to find this adjacent side you need to find, but you still know the opposite side. So use the ratio to find out AD2, subtract both, you get the distance between the dogs. Can you try or do you want me to try? Please tell me, guys.
Can we try?
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I need to plug in my charger. I keep losing my charger amidst classes. Guys, I want you to figure out. If you're not able to as well, you let me know in chat. If you're very shy, you can let me know in chat. Auntie, I'm not getting this, getting that. I'll help you. Try, guys.
Miss Priya, I don't really understand.
Okay, where is that you didn't understand, ma'am?
So like we're supposed to find 81, which would be tan, right?
Okay, 1 second, Keira. You have different answers, ma. Ashrita has 23. Srishti has 28. I don't know what is causing the difference. Again, I feel like something is not correct. Srishti, are you rounding it too much? Maybe don't round it at all and send the answer. Ashrita, your answer is a little off. Tell me, ma. Sorry, Keira.
I got 26.77
That's
normal.
better. 20, that's better. Then why did you round it? Correct. That's
I
right.
just rounded it to 27 because it says to the nearest foot.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I did not see that. You're right.
Yeah.
I take it. Okay, correct. Go ahead, ma. Go ahead. Keira, what is that? You didn't get it at all.
Wait, can I just like explain what I think
Yes,
I'm
yes,
supposed to do?
yes.
Okay, so you're supposed to find 81, which is tan, right?
Correct. 81.
So
Yeah. So how do
and
you use stand there?
81 is the angle with 34.
No, 81 is this, right, ma?
Oh, okay. So with the 48, so then you do tan
48
40,
40 by 81.
but yeah, and then how do you find 81?
You tell me. This is just equation solving, right?
Oh, so is it like tan 48 times 81 equals 40?
Correct. 81 times tan 48 equal to 40. You got it. Then.
But Miss
And
Priya,
then
isn't it
Yeah, I'm
46?
confused. Isn't it 46 because it's like 6 feet
Yeah.
above the ground?
I'm sorry, 46. Yes. Sorry. Thank you, guys. This is 46. I forgot the 6C.
oh, okay.
Sorry.
And then you do like divide by
Thank you,
tan
guys.
48 on both sides.
Correct. So 81 equal to 46 by tan 48. That's all.
And then you just plug that in the calculator.
Yes. Correct.
And then you do the same thing for 82.
Yes, please.
And
Okay.
then that that's the answer when you
Yes, please do it
subtract
and tell me
them?
the answer, lady.
Wait, I need to bring my
Yeah,
calculator.
you take your time, no pressure. Okay, who didn't understand? Biba, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So Ashrita, Ashrita, okay. Ashrita still off, Amma.
Miss Priya.
I am going crazy now. Hold on.
Miss Priya.
Wait, 1 minute, Amma. Ashrita, correct. Ashrita's is correct. Sorry, Ashrita. Ashrita's is correct. 27. Oh, sorry. Srishti's and Ashrita, you got it right. Dhruv, correct, Amma. Vibha, correct. Nabiha, Mahir, did you get it? Nishka, today it's your first time, right? So I didn't mean to bug you, but did you get it? Vibha got it, okay. Okay, Nabiha, got it, Amma? Just answer.
I have it, but I still can't answer in the chat. Like I updated my Zoom and everything, and I still can't do it.
Okay, next week I'll enable that. Ma, I don't know why. Amma. Maybe I'll enable groups. All the years it was working, so I don't know what is going on. But Nabiha, I'm going to send you a message. See whether you can reply to me. That you should be able to, right? So let me see. We are going to do one or two more problems, guys. Okay. So Nabiha, you can answer now in chat.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yes.
how do you subtract on the calculator? How do you subtract both of them? Because they're like decimals. Do I write out the whole decimal and subtract?
Yes, you need to be very careful. That's why we learned order of operations, right? So in the calculator, when you type 46 by tan 48. Oh, okay. I'll type it in the calculator. 46 divide by tan 48. You'll type, right?
Yeah.
This is so hard. You can't do this, right? You should have another
I
parenthesis. You should plan it out in advance, have another parenthesis, and then you have to do 46 divide by tan 34. And then
yeah,
close them.
Miss Priya.
I did the tan things separately, and I was trying to subtract them
Then
with.
please note down your decimal number here, note down your decimal number here, subtract it.
Okay,
There's
okay.
an easier trick. If you hover over your answer, which you got, and click enter, it will automatically pop down.
Oh, really?
What is it,
Yeah.
Arshita? I don't know that. You have to teach me
So
too.
yeah, so when you get your
Yeah, she's
answer,
right.
when you get your answer, you have to hover over it until you get like the green light, and if you click enter, it will automatically copy down.
Wait, yeah, that's so cool. Wait.
It's so cool. Let me learn that. Meaning, I think I know, but I just want to see. I just want everybody to have a quick.
Is the answer 26.77?
That is correct. But what is this hovering over? Can I quickly check? Wait.
You take the arrow keys and highlight the
No,
answer.
I'm going to share, guys. Please, please, please. Go ahead. We'll quickly do, and I wanted to solve two more questions. What is that?
So you have to hover over the 51.7 with your arrow.
With the arrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you click enter. And then you just click enter. And
Oh,
then it
wow.
copies down.
Thank you. I didn't know that. Good to know.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
I have to go now.
Yeah, you go ahead, ma. We'll do one. Dhruv, if you do the homework, you should be fine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now let's see this one. Okay, I'm
Bye,
going to
Miss
give you.
Priya.
Yeah, bye, ma. Bye. Have a good week. Okay, now I want to give you two, three more problems, and only will be good. Okay, we'll see. So you solve the hardest problem. Okay, now this is also hard, guys, but I want you to try. Okay, this is a similar pattern, but I really want you to try. I don't want to give the I don't want to give the diagram. Okay, you're going to draw the diagram. Okay, usually they give the diagram. Okay, but I don't want to give the diagram. Try.
Miss Bray, you're sharing your Chrome screen.
Oh no, sorry. Okay, sorry. How about this? A plane is flying. If you are able to do this, I am convinced that you know trigonometry, nice word problems. If we do this, we can even log off, I would say. But it's okay. One of you draw on the board if you're doubtful. Whoever is doubtful, draw on the board. If you please already are clear, don't draw on the board. If you're not clear, draw on the board.
Can I draw?
Yeah. Feel free to.
So altitude is like, wait, angle of depression. So that means it's like this. Wait.
You want me to help you?
Wait. Yeah. Can you help me?
Okay, first draw. Whatever you think you draw, right? Then I'll help.
A plane is flying at an altitude of 300 meters. The pilot sights the end of the main runway at an
Remember the
angle.
altitude in a triangle. What is it? It's always perpendicular to the base, right? We already studied that.
Yeah. So it's like this is the base. Wait.
Yeah, that's the
bad.
base. Okay, I take it.
This is the base.
Mm.
And then the altitude is like this.
Is that
Wait,
the altitude? Can there be an altitude like that?
Wait, no, this is the altitude.
That's the altitude. It has to be perpendicular to the base, I'm saying, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
And so this is
Let's draw this.
300.
Sorry,
Oh,
you draw.
sorry.
You draw. I'm sorry.
And then this is the angle of depression is
Keira, don't be in a hurry. Let's read. The pilot sights the end of the runway. Where is
so
it?
this is the end of the runway.
Good. Nice. So draw the line. Don't
This?
forget the line of sight.
Oh, the line of
The
sight.
pilot is here. What is the line of sight?
Like that.
Yeah, because angle of depression, if you forget that, you'll make mistakes.
And then this is what he's looking at.
Okay, ma, which is 15 degrees?
15. Wait, so the pilot sights at the end of the main runway, angle of depression. So this is 15 degrees.
Okay, because of that, which other angle is 15?
This one.
Nice. Okay, let's draw that out. And then, next one, go ahead.
And then she sights a maintenance hangar at an angle of depression of 32 degrees.
What is that?
Like that. Right? Yeah.
Will the maintenance hangar be outside the runway, you think?
No.
And wait, Keira. Okay, I don't know what is maintenance main runway and what is maintenance hangar. I don't know. Okay, as a person, I don't know. Let's say how to find this. If you put this as 32 degree, does it make sense? This angle is 15.
Oh, this ain't. Yeah.
Do you see? That is very basic thing that you can check. You don't even need to know what is maintenance hangar or runway. But if you put this as 15, 32 has to be greater than that. That itself tells you somewhere something is different. Good job.
32. Okay, and then we're trying to find this.
This is 32. Yes. Good job, guys.
So it's the same thing? Is the same thing as the other one?
Yes. I really don't want to do this problem. I just wanted you to draw the diagram. Sahana, did you get it, ma?
Yes.
Okay. I should have asked you to draw the diagram too, I felt, because you were too quiet. Okay. So, you want to do the problem? Guys, would you like to do the problem and tell me the answer? Oh, Vibha got it, huh?
Yeah, I
Oh my God, yes. I'm checking. Oh, wow. Vibha, you got it. Nice, Vibha. Ashrita, good job. Srishti, good job. Yeah, guys, you're all good, I feel. Come on, the others. I'll wait. Just find the answer. Okay, for those of you who have completed, you don't need to wait, guys. Wait. Please do that, okay? One more problem I would like to do, but I don't want to give the... a difficult problem I want to give you. Okay, why don't you try this one? This is small. You want it big, right? You cannot see. Okay. If you don't mind, can I erase the diagram on the board? Yeah. Okay. Those of you who have done can do this problem. Those of you who are not done, please do the old problem. Okay. Mitransh, good job. Usually these problems do appear in your standardized test. Anyway, you will have the main treasure or the trick is the diagram should match what is given. If you get that, you will not make mistakes.
Wait, for the second question, when it says height of the hot air balloon, is that like the height of the balloon itself or the height it's in the air?
I have to read. I didn't read the question. Wait. A passenger in a hot air balloon. Oh, okay, he's flying here. Spots a small fire on the ground. What is your question, Ashrita?
It says that the height of the hot air balloon is 150 feet, right? So is it the height of the balloon itself, or is it the height it's from the ground?
What is the difference between height of the hot air balloon and height from the ground? How do you differentiate it? Are you talking about the sliding distance and the perpendicular distance? That's what you're meaning?
Yeah.
Amma, height is always the perpendicular distance, ma. If they
No,
say
that's the
height,
exact 150 feet.
okay, let's see. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. A passenger in a hot air balloon spots a small fire on the ground. The angle of depression of the fire is 30 degrees. This is the fire. And the height of the hot air balloon is 150 feet. To the nearest foot, what is the horizontal distance from the hot air balloon to the fire? They're asking this. What is your question, Ashrita?
No, I was thinking they're asking about the height of the hot air balloon itself and not like the altitude.
The 150 feet you mean, Ashrita?
Yeah, I thought it was like the height of the hot air balloon, like physically, and not like the
See, ma,
height from
okay,
the ground.
okay. See here. Height of the hot air balloon means it's the altitude. It cannot be slanting. Does that give you the answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. Height, altitude, all this means it has to be perpendicular to the base. Remember in the previous problem as well, what did they give? The ski run. Ski run, they did not mention that the height of the ski run. Did you see that? So that's the difference. Height, altitude and all, it gives you a clue that it's going to be perpendicular to the base. Okay, anybody can give any answer. Some answer I need. Okay, then only I'll be convinced that you all know.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer for the first one?
Yeah, I saw. Wait. Yes, ma, correct.
Okay.
You want to do the second problem?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we are good with this. So, is there a second? Okay. Okay, so you'll do this, but after this, is there a review? Oh my god, you know what? I'm not going to do law of sines and law of cosines, guys. I know it's sad that I'm not doing, but I'm not going to do law of sines and law of cosines because the school does not cover that. Okay. So if the school covers it, you're more than welcome to ask me. Okay. We can discuss law of sines and cosines, but those of you who are really wanting, please go over those topics. Okay. I'm directly going to go to review. You can omit law of sines and cosines. Okay. Part 3 and part 8. We're all going to do part 3 and part 8 this week. Yeah, please do get the answer and go.
Miss Priya, is it right?
1 minute, ma. That one I checked. Wait, ma. Part 3 and 8 of Rig PDF. Please get the PDF from last week. Do the homework, otherwise you will be at a point where you don't follow anything. Srishti D, I don't know what is D, ma. Wait, I'm checking. D, did I? Oh, I gave you. Sorry, Srishti, wait. Guys, try to answer definitely. Srishti, bear with me, ma. Ah, 3, 4. Okay, I see. Srishti, that's right. Okay, 3, 4 and part 8 you need to do. Not really, Ashita. Something is wrong. Srishti, you can log off, ma.
You guys, I have a question. Like, so in school we're learning about like special triangles and like 30, 60, 90 and like those things. So I was wondering like if you had any like practice.
Yes,
like,
ma. We have it in the classroom, right?
Okay, yeah.
Do you want me to identify and show you?
No, it's okay. I think I can find it. I
Oh,
was just
you have a lot of those. We did it.
Yeah.
We did both the types.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and notes are as well there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
But if you don't find, will you tell me, Srishti?
Yeah, I'll tell my mom too.
Yes, you can log off, but you can ping me if you don't find it.
Okay.
Good job, Mahir. Okay.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Ashita, where did we make a mistake, ma?
I don't know. I can't tell because I thought the hot air balloon was over here, and there can't be a horizontal distance between the hot air balloon and the fire. It can only be slanted, right? Because the
Oh,
hot balloon.
hot air balloon, the fire, correct. Wait.
So
Oh,
does that mean?
horizontal distance between the hot.
Yeah. So I got lost
Oh,
there.
they're asking for the hypotenuse, right, ma?
Are they? Because that's what I did.
But the horizontal distance is this, right, lady? Wait. To the nearest foot, what is the horizontal distance from the hot air balloon to the fire? There can be. A passenger is in a hot air balloon, spots a small fire on the ground. The angle of depression is 30 degree. The height of the hot air balloon is 150 feet. Okay. To the nearest foot, what is the horizontal? Oh, wow. Good question. Cheri, okay. What did you do, Ashrita? Tell me. What is the ratio you used?
I thought that the hypotenuse was what they're asking, so I did sine 30 equals 150 by x.
150 by x, hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Consider this as x, so let me
Yeah.
do this, okay?
And then I put it in the calculator as
150 by
150,
730.
and I got 300.
Wait, let me see. A passenger is in a hot air balloon, spots a small fire on the ground. The angle of depression to the fire is 30 degree, and the height of the hot air balloon is 150 feet to the nearest foot. So basically, what is the horizontal distance? What is the horizontal distance between? Okay. Mahir, oh, she has the answer. Wait. You can shout out, right, Mahir? I know. Okay. Ashrita, I wish the question was worded differently. The horizontal distance they're asking xma. You see what I mean? That was your mistake. You see? This was your mistake. This
So
is
they're
correct.
asking.
The horizontal distance means it's this.
Okay.
You got it? That was the mistake.
Okay.
Horizontal, vertical. Horizontal is always sleeping down, right, ma?
Yeah, I was just confused because the hot air balloon is
No,
not.
I hear you. I hear you. It was a badly worded question, I would say. But yeah, the horizontal distance definitely is this. They cannot go this off with respect to their words. Don't worry. But the
Okay.
horizontal distance is this.
Okay.
You should get it right, is my thought.
Yeah,
Good job, Maggie. You can log off. Yeah.
I got 259.8, so it's rounded to 260.
For the second one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
that's right. That's right. Yeah.
I also got
Yeah.
260. Yeah, I got the same thing.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. If you all got it, great. Nishka, did you get it? Sahana, did you get it?
Yes.
Sahana, you're too quiet today. What is going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You got 260?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. Vibha got it, I know. Okay. Okay. Any questions for me? Yes, there's a lot of problems. Okay, there's one part 3 and 4 on trig problems. So please do both and a review on entire trigonometry. Okay. If you have any questions, you stay. If you don't have any questions, we can log off.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.